Good afternoon. Welcome to Series 2 class. Series 2 centers on topics from New Testament. So this afternoon we're looking at canonicity of the New Testament. So we have three subdivisions of this topic. We'll be looking at canon, division of the New Testament, and then criteria of the New Testament canonicity. Now to begin, the word canon, from its etymology, it has two principal meanings. We have primary meaning of canon, then we have secondary meaning of canon, which both define the concept of this topic. We have what we call primary meaning. Then, in its primary meaning, canon simply means rule or standard. Then, its secondary meaning canon simply means list of books accepted into the scripture. Then, in a simple term, canon now simply means accepted list of books of the Bible, particularly the New Testament. The division of the New Testament, principally the New Testament is made up of 27 books. These 27 books are stratified into three books. We have what we call history books. Then we have what we call prophecy book. Then we also have what we call revelation book. So the list of books under the history, we have what we have the book of Matthew, we have the book of Luke, we have the book of John, we have the book of Mark, and we have the book of Acts. So this collection of books makes up the history book in the New Testament. Then the revelational book, the revelational book is the book of Revelation. Then every other book of the Bible is what we call prophecy book. Then the criteria for the New Testament, we have list of criteria put in place by the school of thought for acceptability. We have what we call apostolicity, which simply means that books written by the disciples of Jesus Christ are accepted into the scripture. Then we also have what we call apostolicity past, that is, books written by friends of the apostles or the disciples of Jesus Christ were also canonized into the Bible. Then we also have what we call reception by the church. That is, the local church must accept the write-ups or the books. So because reception simply means being received. So the local church must accept it. The elders or the fathers of the local church must accept it. Then we also have what we call inspiration. In this context, inspiration simply means it must be spiritually designed. There must be spiritual assignments by the book. The book must have this spiritual design. Then we also have what we call consistency. Consistency, yes, simply means that it must have relationship with the Old Testament. So any write-up that must be canonized or that must be accepted into the New Testament must be in consonant with the Old Testament. And that's why we cannot talk about New Testament without Old Testament. And as a matter of fact, the history of Jesus was proclaimed from the Old Testament, particularly in the book of Jeremiah 31 verse 31. That is where New Testament had its origin, when God told the children of Israel that I will make you a new covenant. So new covenant is the same as the New Testament. They are the same thing. There's no difference between new covenant and the New Testament. And that's why Jesus Christ did not alter any aspect of the Old Testament, because he established authenticity with the Old Testament when he was alive. Then we also have internal. So the book must be good for consumption. It must be good for human, or to uplift human feelings. So these are the canonicity for the New Testament. Then we also have what we call letter. We have what we call prophecy. Then the first one here is what we call history. So here we have Matthew, we have the synoptic gospel here. Then here we have the book of Revelation. Then every other book in the Bible belongs to the book of letter. So in our next class we will look at the political institution